Well, we're having a heck of a time with the bees, the honeybees. I've closed them out like 3 times and they keep finding more places. I'm zoomed in right now, so it's probably kind of shaky. They're, um, they're not so happy with me anymore. We kind of are at war now. I've taken a few stings. I don't plan on taking any more. I did end up caulking along the edge all the way up through, way up into there. I think you can see the white. Because what they're doing is they keep moving up the edge to find another spot. So they're really persistent. I feel bad for going to war with them, but they just cannot live in the house. At some point, I have to deal with this setup here, but I can do a lot more work before I get to them. But I don't know. I'm hoping they swarm and go in my hive, but it's getting kind of late in the year. I might give them the winter, but come next year, if I'm probably going to be pretty determined to get this whole end done. I'm still working. I'm quite a ways up. They do come over to see me every once in a while, but for the most part, they're staying away from me. I'm not protected, and hopefully they're not going to bite me anymore. So I'm prepping this right here, and I got lots of slate to clean off here, and I got to clean off this edge so I can caulk it. That's pretty much what I've been doing now, is caulking the edges between the slate and the roof or the siding. Need to do this edge yet. From here down is ready for primer, all the way down to where we already primed. I still have more work to do right in here. I did the other side pretty good, but I got to do more on these spindles and then up in there. And then I don't know about this. I don't think I've done this at all yet. I've tried to do this quite a bit of scraping and brushing. It's pretty good, so that's probably ready to prime. So I'm going to do a little caulking right now where I put nails in here, and then I think we'll do some more scraping and priming, or not priming yet. About a half hour, 45 minutes, I'm going to start priming and then do as much priming as I can. You can see where it's, some places have a lot of scraping, and then other places not so much, but I'm nailing the siding anyways. And I'm caulking all the edges, so I'm getting everything tight, and which I have to do anyways, but the way these bees are, I better keep everything tight. Okay, let's get back to work.